Hello, everybody. Albanidis Konstantinos here, and to this short video, I would like to show you how you can use an API key with the AzuraCast and be able to control your station and uh, uh, and in fact use it to be able to create song requests, to check the scheduled songs, and so many other actions. In fact, first of all, I would like to show you. This is the main documentation of AzuraCast. Here, you're gonna see that to AzuraCast, it has the View API documentation. Okay, I'm gonna put this link down to the description so that you can find that easily. Over here, you're gonna see that you have the API documentation. If you click here, it's gonna take you to this page where you're gonna be able to see all these requests that you can do with the API. In fact, you can even test all those API requests. Okay, sometimes I just say API, but the correct it's API. You can use any of those. You see here the commands that you can use and get the information you want to get. You can even test with the demo server. And in fact, if you're using one of my services, you can easily test it with your own station. Now I'm gonna show you how you can easily create your API key. Let me show you. I'm gonna go here to my station, to InfoGate here, and here you just have to go over here to your account. I click my account, and you just have to create the API key. Okay, you just add here the API key. I'm gonna write here InfoGate station, or maybe I can make it like that. API, okay. And I just click create new key. Okay, I have the full API key. You can check it here, and I can just copy it to clipboard. So what I get here, I get a new key that is generated for me. When making API calls, I can pass the value in the X API key you see here, okay, header to authenticate as myself, okay. You can only perform the action your user account is allowed to perform, okay. So the way you can authenticate, it's just using your credentials that you use to connect to your server, okay, and to your station. So here I have the API created. If you want to delete it, you just can delete it from here. So it's that easy. You can easily create your API key just getting to your account. And I will just use. I'm gonna leave a link to this all these endpoints, okay, that provide the full summaries of the current state of stations. You can test them, you can check them, and if you have any questions and you want to find something else, you can just leave a message or or send me a message, and I will help you with any question. You see here that you can easily check the history, you can control the services, you can control the song requests. You see, you can even create a song request with post, and you can get the requests that have been created. You can totally control your radio station using those API. That's all for the moment. I hope that video helped you to understand what's going on with the API key and how to create it. I'll see you to a next video where I'm gonna show the usage of API, or I can show even more stuff about this feature that AzuraCast has built in. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, leave your message, and even subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.